Okay, this is Rob, one of your neighbors here, Magnolia. Um, I've heard some complaints about some loose chains here on the garage door opener. So I decided to figure this thing out myself, and it was fairly simple. So what we have here, we got a loose chain right here. It's hitting this guide bar. And basically, to tighten this, it's simple. It's fairly simple. You got this little bolt right here,
All you have to do is loosen up this nut here and this nut here.
and it will bring it in. So I haven't done this before. I believe these are 1/2 inch. So we're gonna use these 1/2 inch, and let's see how it goes. Gotta put my glasses down. Farsighted, and these are making it very difficult for me to see. So I'm gonna need something to hold that in, keep it from spinning. It's always interesting. So I'll get something over here. Hopefully, my trusty lineman cutters usually will do the trick. So let's see what we can do here. This is usually tightening. I can tell if it's tightening by looking at this. You know you're tightening when this gap here starts going down. So it's always a clockwise turn. Always have to think about that. It's working. Notice how the slack here is disappearing as I tighten this. Stretching of this chain is normal. It's just like on a bicycle. When people who remember chained bicycles when they were a kid, we had to pull the wheel back in order to tighten the chain because the slack that started showing up. Now you don't want it too tight. Okay, I'm going to do just a little bit more, and then we're going to give it a try. Okay. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I don't want to put too much pressure on this. It could actually break the system. It's a matter of just a little bit of trial and error. Okay, that looks pretty good. we give it a try and see how well that performs if the chain continues to hit the track. All right, here we go. That looked pretty good. So let's give that another, let's let it go down. Right up here. Yep, I think that'll work. I think we are done here.